Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika. Here is what I bring to you from the world of medicine. Babies born after IVF have higher risk of heart defects. European Society of Cardiology. The risk of being born with a major heart defect is 36% higher in babies who were conceived after assisted reproductive technology such as in vitro fertilization, according to results of a very large study published in the European Heart Journal. Researchers say the finding is important since congenital heart defects are the most common form of birth defects, and some of them are associated with life-threatening complications. The study also shows that the increase in risk is particularly associated with multiple births, which are more common in assisted reproduction. The study was led by Professor Ulla-Britt Wennerholm from the University of Gothenburg in Sweden. The research included all live-born children born in Denmark between 1994 and 2014, all children born in Finland between 1990 and 2014, those born in Norway between 1984 and 2015, and those born in Sweden from 1987 to 2015. More than 7.7 million in total. Researchers compared data on babies born following assisted reproduction, including IVF, intracytoplasmic sperm injection and embryo freezing with data on babies conceived naturally. They assessed how many live-born children in each group were diagnosed with a major heart defect or with a serious heart defect either in the womb or in the first year of life. They took into account other factors that can increase the risk of congenital heart defects such as child's year of birth, country of birth, mother's age at delivery, if the mother smoked during pregnancy or if the mother had diabetes or heart defects. This showed that heart defects were around 36% more common in babies born after assisted reproduction compared to babies conceived without such treatment. This risk was similar regardless of the type of assisted reproduction used. However, the risk was greater for multiple births following assisted reproduction compared to singleton births following assisted reproduction. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogues. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.